In electrical work, FS and FD are common designations found on junction boxes, particularly those designed for flush-mounted installations. FS stands for flush switch. This type of junction box is specifically designed to house the switch that is intended to be flush with the finished wall surface. The design allows the switch to be mounted neatly and securely within the wall, providing a clean and professional appearance. The box itself is typically recessed into the wall cavity, and the switch is then mounted within the box, with the faceplate sitting flush against the wall. FD stands for flush device. This designation indicates a junction box designed to accommodate a device other than a switch, also intended to be flush mounted. This could include receptacles, pilot lights, or other similar electrical components. Similar to FS boxes, FD boxes are recessed into the wall, allowing the device to be mounted flush with the surface. The distinction between FS and FD is important because it helps electricians select the appropriate box for the specific type of electrical component being installed. The dimensions and internal design of the boxes may vary slightly depending on whether they are intended for switches or other devices. Using the correct box ensures a secure and code-compliant installation. When working with electrical systems, it is always crucial to consult local electrical codes and regulations. These codes provide detailed requirements for the installation of junction boxes, wiring methods, and other electrical components. Adhering to these codes ensures the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Some key considerations when installing FS and FD boxes include ensuring proper grounding, selecting the correct size box for the number of conductors, and using appropriate wiring methods. Grounding is essential for protecting against electrical shock and preventing damage to equipment. The size of the box must be adequate to accommodate all of the conductors and splices within the box without overcrowding. Overcrowding can lead to overheating and potentially create a fire hazard. Proper wiring methods, such as using approved connectors and conduit, are also important for ensuring a safe and reliable installation. In addition to FS and FD, there are other types of junction boxes commonly used in electrical work. Some examples include surface-mounted boxes, weatherproof boxes, and explosion-proof boxes. Surface-mounted boxes are installed directly on the surface of a wall or ceiling, while weatherproof boxes are designed to protect electrical components from moisture and the elements. Explosion-proof boxes are used in hazardous locations where there is a risk of explosion due to flammable gases or vapors. Each type of junction box has its specific application and installation requirements. The selection of the appropriate junction box depends on the specific needs of the electrical installation. It's vital to always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. Turn off the power before working on any electrical components, and use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. If unsure about any aspect of electrical work, consult with a qualified electrician.